Welcome to Ballotpedia's Daily Brew, your nonpartisan and unbiased source for political news. Today is April 15th, 2024, and here are today's top stories. The 2024 Indiana gubernatorial election features a competitive Republican primary with 6 candidates vying to replace term-limited incumbent Governor Eric Holcomb. The primary is shaping up to be the most expensive in the state's history, while candidates compete for voters in a state with historically low turnout. Moving on to Nebraska. On April 3rd, State Senator Mike McDonnell switched his party affiliation from Democrat to Republican, stating the Democratic Party, quote, no longer felt like a place where he could reconcile his faith with his political affiliation. The Nebraska Democratic Party had previously censured McDonnell, stating that his voting record, quote, has adversely affected the reproductive rights of Nebraskans and the rights of transgender individuals in the state. McDonnell is the second legislator to switch parties this year, following New Hampshire State Representative Matthew Coker, who switched from Democrat to Republican on February 8th. Finally, an update on state legislative primaries. So far this year, 21 state legislative incumbents have lost to primary challengers, which is a lower rate than at this point in 2022. Of the 6 states that have held primaries, 2 have Democratic trifectas, 3 have Republican trifectas, and 1 has a divided government. The next legislative primaries will take place in Pennsylvania on April 23rd. Subscribe for free to Ballotpedia's Daily Brew to get these stories delivered to your inbox, or click the link in our bio to read online. Thank you.